There are 10 outdated elements on your website that are hurting your business and keeping you from gaining more customers, and I'm going to show you what they are in a minute. But first, look, the stats don't lie. According to Google, 50% of people say they won't consider purchasing from a brand that has a poorly designed mobile site, and 88% of online consumers are less likely to return to a website after a bad experience. So if you haven't updated your website in a few years, or if you know that your website needs improvement, then this is your wake-up call to get going on making your website better. So let's get to it. Okay, number one, your website's homepage headline is lacking any value statement or customer benefit. Look, sometimes a company can't think of anything but "welcome to our homepage" as a headline for their website, but this is going to cause you problems in the long run. Generic welcome messages don't provide visitors with meaningful information about your business. They fail to capture attention and communicate value, leaving visitors technically unsure about what you offer. So instead, use clear, value-driven statements that show your customer that you can solve their problem with a user-friendly and proof-positive offer. Use clear, value-driven statements that immediately convey what your business offers and why it matters. So, I guess, for example, get fresh, organic produce delivered right to your doorstep. This approach quickly informs visitors about your services and encourages further exploration. Visitors often decide whether to stay on a site within just a few seconds, so a clear, compelling headline can significantly increase engagement by immediately addressing your visitors' needs and their interests. According to a study by Nielsen Norman Group, users typically leave a web page within 10 to 20 seconds, but having a clear value prop can prolong their stay. So, here's a little pro tip for you. Ensure that your headline reflects your unique selling proposition and aligns with your brand's voice. Okay, number two, your navigation and menu labels are just too generic. A lot of sites use the same old tired menu labels like products and services. Generic labels like these are used on all websites and don't explain the products or services of the company at a glance. They lack specifics and fail to provide immediate clarity about what your business offers, making it harder for visitors to understand your site's structure quickly. So instead, use descriptive, intuitive labels. Use descriptive service or product category headings that give more clarity. So for example, instead of products, use organic vegetables. And instead of services, use residential plumbing services. These specific category labels gives users a clear understanding of each section, reducing confusion and helping them find what they need quickly. And it also benefits SEO by adding relevant keywords to your navigation. A HubSpot study shows that 76% of consumers find ease of navigation the most important factor in a website's design. So using clear, descriptive labels helps create an intuitive, user-friendly site that keeps your visitors engaged for longer. Number three, your subheadings aren't descriptive to your business. Uninformative subheadings like "our services," "testimonials," or "our blog" are not only boring, but don't help you keep your visitors engaged. Generic subheadings like these fail to guide visitors effectively as they scroll down the page. They add visual noise without providing clarity or value. These subheadings are also a missed opportunity for incorporating keywords, which are very important for SEO. So instead, use descriptive, keyword-rich subheads that clearly convey the content of each section. So for example, instead of "our services," use "our landscaping services." Subheadings are crucial for guiding visitors through your content and improving readability. They break up the text, they make it easier to scan and understand. Well-structured headings enhance user experience and help search engines understand your content better, and that will help improve your rankings. According to a study by Moz, specific, meaningful subheads can significantly enhance the user experience and boost SEO. So here's a pro tip again. Make sure that your subheadings are specific and informative and include relevant keywords to maximize their impact on both users and search engines. Number four, you focus too much on the show, which visitors will ignore and could also slow down your site. So what I'm talking about here is, those rotating carousels that show up on a website? Well, they're frequently overlooked and ignored by users after that first slide. Important information can be missed, search engines may not effectively index carousel content, and slideshows can slow down page loading times, which could also affect your SEO. So use high quality static images or very short videos, and I'll get to videos in a moment, that can grab attention and showcase products or services more effectively. Ensure the top of the homepage is simple and descriptive, passing the 5-second test by clearly stating what your business does and how it can help solve your potential customers' problems. Static hero images with clear CTAs direct user attention and quickly convey the main message. They enhance user experience by avoiding distractions, improving load times, and boosting SEO performance. So, as a pro tip, make sure your homepage has a hero statement that clearly states your business offerings, capturing visitor interest immediately, and providing a straightforward path for exploration and navigation of your website. Okay, number 5, and this is one I see all the time, and I'm going to be straight out and said I've used this before in the past and no more. And that is, you use stock photos when you should be using actual photos of your business. And this is huge, right? Now, stock photos can make your website appear generic and insincere, which reduces trust and engagement. And the thing is now visitors recognize stock images because they see them everywhere, and that can create a disconnect and make your brand seem less genuine. So use authentic, original photos of your team, of your products, of your services in action. It helps to build trust and credibility. Everybody's got one of these. Use your phone all the time to take pictures. If you're doing some sort of work for a client, take a picture. By showing real people, actual offerings behind your brand, it makes your website more relatable and trustworthy. Original photos personalize your brand and create a stronger connection with your audience. Authentic images, and I'm going to say that word again, authentic images enhance user experience and engagement by providing a real glimpse into your business. And according to a study by Venngage, authentic visuals are 40% more likely to be shared on social media, and it can help amplify your reach. So if a professional photo shoot isn't feasible, like I said, use your phone. Take high quality photos. Make sure the lighting's good. Make sure the focus is there. Natural settings. Capture that essence of your business authentically. They can be used across your website. You can reuse them for social media, marketing materials to maintain that consistent and authentic brand image. So those are the first 5 outdated elements on your website that could be costing you customers. Now, I'm going to reveal the next 5 in this video. And number 8 is a mistake that a lot of companies are making that can make the biggest impact if it's corrected. So I'll see you over there.